The path of the witch is shrouded in mystery and magic, a journey that calls to those who seek to connect with the ancient wisdom of the natural world. What is witchcraft, you ask? It is a practice that goes beyond spells and potions, a way of being that requires courage, curiosity, and a deep reverence for the unknown. To become a witch is to embark on a journey of self-discovery and transformation, a path that leads you through shadow and light, through the depths of your soul and the heights of the stars. It is a calling that whispers in the wind, that stirs the heart with a sense of purpose and meaning. But how does one become a witch? It is not a matter of simply reading a book or attending a class. For the path of the witch is a deeply personal one, shaped by individual experiences and insights. It requires dedication, practice, and an unwavering commitment to follow your intuition and inner guidance. So, if you are called to the path of the witch, be prepared to embark on a journey of mystery and wonder, a journey that will challenge you, inspire you, and ultimately lead you to the heart of your own personal magic.